In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable agent mode in Lovable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your workspace to turn it on for the project you're working on. Before we start, make sure you can sign into your Lovable account and that you have at least one project in your workspace since agent mode is configured at the project level. First, open your browser and head to the Lovable dashboard. If you're prompted to sign in, do that now. Once you land on the home screen, take a second to confirm you're in the correct workspace if you have access to more than one. This helps ensure you'll see the right set of projects and permissions. From the home screen, navigate to All Projects. This view gives you a full list of everything you can access. If you manage a lot of work, use the search box or sorting options to quickly bring the right project to the top. Think of this page as your control room for hopping between initiatives. Next, click into the specific project where you want agent mode available. Opening the project ensures any settings you change apply only here, not across your entire workspace. It's a good idea to verify you're looking at the correct environment or branch if your team uses multiple variants. Also, remember that your ability to change settings depends on your role in the project, so if you don't see certain controls later, you may need elevated permissions from your workspace admin. With the project open, look for the option to open the sidebar. Click Open Sidebar to reveal the project's control panel. The sidebar is where Lovable consolidates tools and settings related to your project, and this is where the agent mode control lives. Once the panel is visible, locate the agent mode section. If your workspace has access, you'll see a straightforward control to enable it for this project. Turn it on and scan for any related configuration prompts that appear, such as confirmation messages or basic options. If you don't see agent mode listed, it likely means your plan or role doesn't include it yet. In that case, check with your admin or review your workspace plan details. When enabled, changes typically save automatically, but it never hurts to wait a moment for the confirmation toast or status indicator to update. That's it. You navigated from the dashboard, opened your project, and used the sidebar to enable agent mode where it belongs. If you ever need to pause it, return to the same sidebar section and toggle it off. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Lovable.